If you've ever said, I understand English, but I can't speak it, this episode is exactly what you need. Yes, because today we're not just learning English, we're training your brain to think and speak in English automatically. And here's the best part. If you follow this method consistently, you can dramatically improve your speaking in just 30 days. No complicated grammar, no memorizing long rules, just powerful real-life sentences, and one simple technique: shadowing. Welcome back to Boundless English. If you're looking for daily English practice, easy English practice, and real daily English conversations to help you learn English as a beginner, you're in the right place. This is where you learn real English for real life. I'm Alex. And I'm Jade. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly explain what shadowing is. Shadowing means you listen and repeat immediately, like an echo. You don't wait, you don't translate. You just copy the sound, rhythm, and pronunciation.
Think of it like following someone's shadow. You stay close and you move at the same time.
This is how children learn language naturally.
And it works incredibly well for adults too.
All right, here's how today will work.
We'll give you sentences. You listen, pause, and repeat.
Then we'll say it again, so you can improve your fluency.
Let's start with simple daily sentences.
Sentence 1. I wake up early every day.
Again, I wake up early every day.
Sentence 2. I usually drink coffee in the morning.
Again, I usually drink coffee in the morning. Sentence 3. I'm getting ready for work. Sentence 4. I take the bus to work. Sentence 5. I start work at 9 o'clock. Sentence 6. I have lunch around noon. Sentence 7. I'm feeling a little tired today. Sentence 8. I finish work at 5.
I'm going home now. I relax and watch TV in the evening.
Now let's move into real conversations.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
What did you do yesterday?
I went out with some friends.
That sounds like fun.
Do you want to grab coffee later?
Sure, that sounds good.
What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 3 p.m.
I'll see you there.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I've lived here for 5 years.
What do you do for work?
I work in marketing.
Now let's practice situations you'll use every day. Can I get a coffee, please? How much does this cost?
I'd like to order this.
Could you help me, please?
I'm looking for the restroom.
Is this seat taken?
I'll take it. Thank you.
Do you accept credit cards?
I need some help with this.
Can you explain that again?
I don't understand.
Could you speak more slowly?
That makes sense.
I agree with you.
That's a good idea.
Now, the final part. Sentences to build confidence.
I'm improving my English every day.
I'm not afraid to make mistakes.
I can speak English with confidence.
I practice speaking every day.
I'm getting better and better.
I understand more than before.
I enjoy learning English.
I will keep practicing.
I believe in myself.
I can do this.
Now, here's how to use this practice effectively. Day 1 to day 10. Listen and repeat slowly. Day 11 to day 20. Shadow faster. Try to match the speed. Day 21 to day 30. Speak without pausing. Try to say everything naturally. If you do this every day, your speaking will change. Not a little, a lot. Now it's your turn. Which sentence was your favorite? Write it in the comments and practice it today. And if you want to speak English fluently, subscribe to Boundless English. We're here to help you speak with confidence. One sentence at a time. See you in the next episode.